Hello traders, I welcome you to Happy Traders Zone. So in this video we are going to see about few stocks which has provided the breakout, and based on the breakout we can predict the upcoming market moves. And before we get into this video, I am not a sophisticated analyst, so before making any trading decisions, please make your own analysis and make the money management and the position sizing. And this is what our the Telegram channel. It's Happy Traders Zone. Also we having the YouTube channel, so please subscribe us on YouTube as well as in the Telegram channel. Or because during the market hours we will be providing the live updates as we provided the Radico. So today we have been provided the Radico at 9:30. So post this buy signal around 100 points, the Radico has been rallied in the upside, and also we provided the intraday traders to book the profit. Yeah, okay, come let's get into this video now. So in our yesterday's YouTube video, we have provided this buy entry around this level. So see guys, today it's around 4 to 5%. Oh sorry, it's a 3% of move. So we have been provided this buy entry based on the swing trade opportunities as well as the investment perspective. So as we have missed this 3% of move, even it is applicable for the investors. So investors can make the long entry still now itself, and also we can expect the target of 530. And for the swing traders, still we can make a long entry, but the stop loss will be huge. It will be around 457. Also, meanwhile we having another pattern which is the broadening pattern. If you see here, finally the pattern has been break out by today only. So we can also have the stop loss by today day's low, and at current market price we can make the long entry. Also it has chances, and it has possibility to give the buy entry at 479. So 480 we can make the long entry and we can hold on for the entry, and if we get our entry we can have the target of around 530. So the next stock which we will be analyzing is Bharat Forge. So Bharat Forge also today we have provided the buy entry in our Telegram channel. So it's based on the ascending triangular pattern. So usually the pattern has to be break down in the downward side, but we received the breakout in the upward side. So even it has the potential, guys. Why? Because if you see here, so last 3 days we having the huge volume on the buy side. So today it has been a minor selling has been done. So from tomorrow we can expect the rally to be continued. So make use of this stock. And also most of the auto sector stocks are giving the breakout, so please do watch our previous video. We have provided the specific video for the auto sector, Nifty Auto, and the uh, five more stocks which has been provided for the investment opportunities. So now let us move on to the next stock, which is our Radico Kaitan, as we discussed. So it's around 1070 at the range of this level. We asked our the intraday traders to take the long entry and book 30 to 40 points of target. And for the swing traders, so still they have been holding this position. It will be around 11% of move. I think 11 to 15, 11 to 12% of move within a span of a single day. So still it looks very bullish, but the volume is very high. So if there is any 1 or 2 days consolidation, post that we can make the long entry, guys, and stop loss would be current day's low. So next one is on the GRAC. So GRAC, if we see here, so 2 days back we received the it's before going on to this swing trade, it's a investment stock, guys. So investors can make long entry at a current market price by having the stop loss of around this level 197, and they can make the long entry. And for the swing traders, so any 1 day candle has been closed below this 217, you can exit, and from the current market price you can make the long entry, guys. So here if you see 1, 2, 3, 4 times it took the rejection, and also here we have the minor rejection, and finally it gave the breakout. So next one is on the Bajaj Auto. As we already said, so most of the auto sector stocks have started to give the breakout, and some of them are still at the verge of breakout. So in the upcoming days, we can also post some video, some charts in the live market to make the long entry. So please do follow us on the Telegram. Also, we have the Instagram. So soon I will be sharing you the Instagram ID. So if you see here, so Bajaj Auto has provided the very good breakout by today. So we can expect the entry price by 3935 around to 40. So it's around some 20 points once a 20 to 30 points once a drop gave, we can make the long entry, and it is also good for the current market price. And for the intraday traders, if any one 5 minutes candle has been closed above current day's high, you can make the long entry. And regarding the target for the intraday traders and intraday traders, they can have the target of around, we have still more 200 points where we can play in intraday. And for the swing trade, they can have the target of first target can be this high, which is 4272. And I hope this will be the more than 1 is to 1 risk reward ratio setup. And for the investment, and the second target for swing trade would be 4786. So the next stock is Rossell India. If we see here, the Rossell India has provided the very good breakout in the last before 3 more days, and currently it started to give the retest. And if any 1 hour time frame as candle has been closed above this 175 level, you can make the long entry. And the target and the stop loss can be around this level 165. 1 hour candle above 175 is our entry. And what about the target? The target will be around 205. So 175 to 205 will be 40 rupees, and our stop loss will be 10 rupees. It's around more than 1 is to 3 setup, guys. 1 is to 3 risk reward ratio setup. So the next chart is on the Indian Bank. As we already analyzed the Indian Bank and Bank of Baroda, City Union Bank in our previous video. Also yesterday we have been said the Bank Nifty is completely bullish in the upcoming days. Also it provided the very good moment in the bull side. So if we see here, we have the pattern which has been formed from the December. It's around 10 month. It took the time to form this pattern, and finally we received the breakout. It's not such a normal breakout. We have the 10% of breakout with a very huge volume. So in the upcoming days, we can expect the Indian Bank to reach till 198. It is also the investment kind of stock. So the investors can make the long entry, and they can have the stop loss till this level 137, and 157 they can be their entry, and 137 around 15% they can have the stop loss. And they can have the target of 198. And hope so it will be more than 1 is to 2. Let us check. So this is for the investment, guys. Yeah, it's around 1.8 setup. So even we can have the stop loss of this point, but this point will be very good for the investment. And for the swing traders, you can have the stop loss of around any 1 day candle has been closed below this level, you can exit the trade. It will be around 4.5 to 5%, guys. So you can have the 5% of your stop loss, and you can expect for till 10 to 15%. Yeah, around 12% we can expect the target of 178 will be our first target, and 198 will be our second target. Our next stock was Jubliant FOODWORKS. So the Jubliant FOODWORKS is traveling in the very compressive manner, and finally today we got the so violent move. And also it's a very good candle. Comparatively, based on the volume, it is a very good candle. And as we see, the candle was not bullish, but even though considering the market all-time high and the market able to sustain in the higher price, so we can expect the rally in the upward direction. So any 1 day candle has been closed below this level, you can exit the trade, and entry can be made current market price. So for the safe traders, you can make the long entry once around this level. So we have till 4276 to 4376 around 50 rupees. So around 4335 or 40 at this level, you can make the long entry, guys. So the next stock is on Nestle India. So if we see, Nestle India, it's an investment as well as the swing trade. In the Nestle India, we having the this stock pick is based on the investment as well as the intraday, also for the swing trade. So let us start with the intraday. If the candle was very bullish and the volume was quite attractive, if any one 5 minutes candle close has been done above this level, you can make the long entry and play till this level, guys. So here we have a spread of around 200 rupees, so we can make use of it. And for the swing traders, for the swing traders, they can make the long entry at current market price, and for the conservative traders, can make a long. Yeah, I hope there will be some gap up expected. So if there is a gap up, you can wait till the price to sustain till 19450 level. You can make the long entry. So the stop loss would be this candle low, which will be around 2%, just a 2%, guys. And our target will be around lifetime high. This would be the lifetime high, but just below the lifetime high, which was around 20,445. It will be having the spread of around 1,000 rupees in the stock, and our stop loss would be very minimal. Some 500 rupees is our stop loss, and 1,000 is our target. So we having the 1:2 trade setup here. And for the investment, guys, if you see here, this is the previous high, lifetime high. It got breakout, so it doesn't have the fuel to run further. So the it has been made the roll down, and finally it got the fuel to go higher. So they have grasped some energy to go further high. So we can expect a very good rally in the upcoming days, upcoming weeks, as well as the upcoming months for the investment, guys. Okay. So next one is on the short setup. So far we have been seeing the long setup, and we will be seeing the short trade opportunities. So Saga Cement, if we see here, it was traveled in such a pattern, and finally it provided the breakdown. So in the any one 5 minutes candle has been closed below this level, 285 to 286. We can expect the further down move till 270, guys. So here we having around 15 to 16 rupees of spread. So intraday traders can make use of it. Also, the call and put writers, sorry, not the writers, the call and put buyers. So they can buy the put of 270 or 260 put they can buy, but unfortunately we don't have option for the Saga the Siemens, guys. So just for the information, I have been provided. So you can play on the intraday in the cash. So next one is on the home first finance. So this is also for the, this is not recommended for the intraday traders, but I would recommend this stock for um, I would recommend this stock for the investors. So swing trade also they can make, since the stop loss was very high. So comparatively, if you see on the previous candles, every candle was not up to this level, but this is the first candle we having this much. So for this stock, I feel this much of 6% of stop, 6 to 7% of stop loss will be very high. So I don't recommend this stock for the swing traders. But if you don't want to miss the stock, then it's a very good stock to make a long entry. You can make the long entry at this price. Uh, from this price, you can make a long entry some 10 rupees below, which will be 1.5 percentage below, and you can have the stop loss of 1 day candle close below this 626 level. And for the investors, it's a very good pick. You can make the long entry and hold on for 2 to 3 month and expect. So this stock has the potential to touch the 1K level, which is 1,000 rupees. And final stock is on the Venky's India. And if we see on the Venky's India, so here we have some fishy kind of thing. So the huge movement has been done here, 1 2, and after that we didn't have the mu, we didn't have the fuel to go the price further higher. So here the very very compressive thing is going on. So I expect either the side it will provide the breakout, and I was bullish on this stock. So also, if we see here, So from this level, which is 1482, the stock has provided the rally. After that, it was started to go in the consolidation phase, and again it's gave the minor rally and consolidation phases. Here totally we having the consolidation. So till this level, the stock will be bullish. Post that, till this level we can expect the target and we can play. So further stories can be can be known based upon the candle close above this level. So yeah, that's all for this current day, guys. So make use of this chart analysis for the upcoming days in this week, and as well as we will be providing the weekly series, the special series on this weekend, Saturday and Sundays. Thank you. So happy trading. Please do follow us on Telegram and YouTube. Thank you, guys. Happy trading.